Hey, it's Megan. I wanted to give our YouTube channel an update on the progress of our grapevines. We planted these 3 years ago, so we're kicking off the third season, and they're doing great. So we have 5 rows with 6 vines each, and today's date is Memorial Day weekend, so May 25th, 26th, and we have first year growth, second year growth, and this is after year 2, so we're starting year 3. And where you see these new buds at the top, there's more buds down here towards the bottom, and what I did is I went ahead and plucked those off because you want to designate as much energy to these buds as possible. I could have left 2 or 3, but early in the season I want to be a little careful and cautious of the growth, so we want to make sure that the vine knows where to focus its energy, but also make sure you have 1 or 2 extras just in case something happens. So really happy overall. Many of these have reached this top line, which is about 5 feet 6 inches. So we're gonna do a nice high cordon pruning style for these grapes to keep those vines high off the ground, and then they can dangle down, which makes it easier for mowing and maintenance. But this is a great update for you guys. If you have any questions about growing grapevines on your property, let me know. Again, we have a really small hobby operation here in Vermont, so you're welcome to write me with any questions. This is about my 5th year taking care and pruning grapevines. Thanks guys, take care.